Looking at me, boy. Yeah, looking at me, girl. You're looking at me, keeping that love, but you're looking at me.
Oh, and I put somebody else week. Actually, I think they were in for next week. I was trying to put them in for this week.
I'm supposed to be all off today. I'm wearing all white. And I don't know. I'm gonna pick up a little branch outside. I know, probably I look so weird right now if someone's watching me, but yeah, I got the little sticks. I'm gonna I'm gonna wash them. Okay. Oh, it's so nice out. Let me show you. Wow, lovely weather.
Perhaps one day I'll hit the lotto, then my bills would all be paid. Money no longer would be a bother. My life would never be the same. We could travel all around this world, fly first class every day. But if I never hit the lotto, would you still love me anyway? Perhaps one day I'll reach the big time.
Too cold. So pretty here. I'm gonna walk around a little bit later, but for the time being, it's a little bit too chilly for me. I'm gonna eat in the car. It was cold outside, and as soon as I got in the car, it's kind of hot. I don't know. Anyways, let me finish eating. What I got is Philly cheesesteak without onion and pepper. I know I'm supposed to consume veggies, but I hate veggies. It's so good. The mixture of unhealthy ingredients, but whatever. I like to come to this park. It's so peaceful, so nice. Life is good. There's so much going on in my life right now. So many changes. But still, there's so much to be grateful for within those struggles and challenges. So yeah, life is good. And coffee is pumpkin spice latte with soy milk. Now my stomach is full and I got some extra dose of caffeine. So I think I'm ready to get back to work. Let's finish it strong. Alright, let's see. Man. What? Yes? Can we play in an hour? Okay, fine. Go. Get it? Ah, that's dangerous. Oh. He wants me to come downstairs. Oh my god. This guy. Okay. Yes, I'm up here. Come upstairs. Yes. 아이고야, 일을 할 수가 없네. 일을 할 수가 없어. So I'm working on this video. It's not going anywhere. Today I'm gonna go shadow one of the dentists that I connected through social media, which is exciting. I mean, that's a new way of making friends, right? So Dr. Yu is a specialist pediatric dentist, and he just opened up his own practice, like beautiful office. So I wanted to visit, and I want to learn how he actually engage with the patient and interact with them, and build relationship with them.
Okay, are you sleeping? Want to take a nap? So you want some hot chocolate? Maybe a little bit of a movie? We'll come back tomorrow, okay? We can clean your teeth and you can go home. You're old enough that I can explain that to you and you can make the decision, right?
Wow.
Okay. Say a little bit. Good job.
I think it's gonna be an interesting visit, and I'll have to come back home and work on this project. I'm pretty overwhelmed, to be honest. I really need to be on top of my stuff. Just lately, I am a little bit depressed, and I feel like I'm not myself. Yeah. Let me work. He finally came up to convince me to play with him. What do you want? What do you want? Hi, how are you?
We take our job seriously.
Brush.
Wait.
And then we're not facing the camera initially.
You ready?
Go ahead. Okay. So
Okay.
so you're standing. Let's say you're standing. Let's say you're standing here, right?
Right. So we're filming from here or there?
Filming from here.
Oh, from there. Okay. Oh, okay. Okay, but just let them come in first so we can squeeze it. Should I do it this way?
So everyone's facing here. Do we need to get closer?
Yes, close
Closer. Is it better
Yeah,
with
that's
this
good.
or that?
I think this angle is good.
This is
Yeah.
good? Okay, so everyone's facing this way. Everyone's tails are out.
Yep.
1, 2, 3. Ba-da-da-dum. 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 Ba-da-da-dum.
Nice. You wanna do practice once or
I
no?
think we got it.
Okay.
Throw it down.
Ready?
All right, Dr. Yu.
Yo! What up? So come on in. We're gonna play some video games.
Cool. I want to live here. And I saw the Yoshi beanbag. I was like,
Oh,
I
yeah.
want that.
If it's gone, we know where it went. So why don't you come on in here?
Wow. Look at that. That's the one that I want.
When I'm with you, there's no reason for why I'm intoxicated by
This is actually very popular with our parents because it has all the games that we grew up with.
Yeah, exactly like this, right?
Smash.
Oh my god, I'm gonna be here until like you close.
Please get out. Okay, so this is our op room.
Yeah, so cute. I love it.
We take our toys very seriously. We have this here. Bitcoin. Take this.
Wow, thank you.
So they get to choose their toy, and then they come over here.
Yeah. Oh, that's the. This is amazing. Oh! It looks like me.
I don't know.
I don't know what it is. Anyways.
What is it, guys? Comment below. Coffee.
Oh, thank you. I think it's gosundochi, isn't it?
Mmm.
Maybe. But where is all the
Because of the face covering.
Yeah. Alright.
It's better to ask the kids. Usually they know.
True, that's true. I love the way you interact with kids. That's what I really want to learn.
Reading error. Okay. So yeah, we could just put it like.
Here.
You know what? Yeah, let's just like clip it like.
Wash my hands first. Now I'm gonna eat